Hey guys, Bailey here, and today we're going to take a look at Elite Force's newest 1911, the limited edition, weathered Elite Force 1911. This gun is very similar to the regular Elite Force 1911s, except for the aesthetics. The grips are the golf ball style, which are comfortable and look great. The sights are the standard 3-dot style seen on many other 1911s. The biggest difference is, of course, the weathering and the ported slide, with ports on the top and sides, allowing for faster cycling. It also comes with a metal and plastic carrying case, which includes the magazine, manuals, an Allen key for changing the CO2, and a key to lock the case, and a very tasty silica gel. The cutouts in the foam fit your 1911 and magazine perfectly, as well as a matching M4 magazine and your manuals. Since this is a CO2 gun, it kicks very hard, and because of the ported slide, it cycles very fast. It chronos at about 320 feet per second after draining some of the CO2 a little bit, so be sure to let out 5 to 10 shots before playing to be safe in our arena. In my opinion, it's a cool little run for these Elite Force 1911s for players looking for a weathered look. Combined with Elite Force's great reputation backing it up, these 1911s sure are going to sell well. If you want to purchase one, come into our walk-in location or check them out online at VIPAirsoftarmory.com.
Let's go,